Best cordless drills. Are you looking for the best cordless drills? In this video we will look at some of the best cordless drills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. With a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute and an impressive 1,400 inch-pounds of torque, this half-an-inch Milwaukee hammer drill delivers outstanding performance in a compact and lightweight design. Built to handle demanding tasks, it provides more than enough power for drilling, fastening, and masonry work without feeling bulky or overwhelming in hand. During testing, the drill powered effortlessly through half-an-inch drill bits and 1-inch spade bits, showing excellent efficiency and consistency. It also performed extremely well when drilling 1/4-inch holes into concrete, proving that its hammer function is more than capable for tough materials. One of the standout features of this drill is its 3-speed transmission. While many competing models offer only 2 speeds, the extra setting allows for greater control. This makes it easy to reduce speed and torque for precision screwdriving while still having access to high power when needed. The added versatility is especially useful for professionals and DIY users who frequently switch between tasks. Despite its strong performance, the drill remains remarkably compact. Measuring just under 7 inches in length and weighing only 3.3 pounds, tool only, it is easy to maneuver in tight spaces and comfortable to use for extended periods. Milwaukee also includes an auto-stop safety feature that shuts off the motor if the bit binds, helping prevent wrist injuries caused by sudden over-rotation. While it may not be the absolute fastest or most powerful drill available, the balance of power, size, weight, and safety features makes this Milwaukee hammer drill one of the best all-around options in its class. Number 2. Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. With a maximum speed of 1,800 revolutions per minute and 400 inch-pounds of torque, the Skil PWRCORE 20V drill delivers surprisingly capable performance for a tool in its price range. Designed for homeowners and DIY users, it proves that strong results don't always require a premium price tag. In testing, the drill bored a clean half-an-inch hole through a 2x4 in just 3 seconds, an impressive result for such a compact and lightweight tool. When paired with a 1-inch spade bit, performance was more inconsistent, as the bit occasionally bound in the wood during repeated drilling. However, when used as a driver, the drill performed reliably, driving 3-inch screws smoothly and without hesitation. One of the biggest advantages of the Skil PWRCORE drill is its excellent handling. Weighing only 2.23 pounds, tool only, and measuring just 6.1 inches in length, it is easy to control and comfortable to use, even during extended projects. The slim profile makes it especially convenient for working in tight spaces or overhead, where heavier drills can quickly cause fatigue. While it doesn't include advanced features found on high-end cordless drills, Skil covers the essentials. The drill offers 2 speed settings for better control and includes a built-in LED work light to improve visibility in dim areas. Most importantly, its value is hard to ignore. While many premium drill kits cost $300 or more, the Skil 20V kit is typically priced around $80. That affordability, combined with dependable performance, makes it an outstanding budget-friendly option for everyday tasks. Number 3. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Flex cordless tools have earned a strong reputation for delivering exceptional power, and this cordless drill fully lives up to that standard. With an impressive 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and a maximum speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute, it ranks among the most powerful drills in its class. During testing, the drill showed outstanding performance, smoothly boring 5 holes with a half-inch twist bit and 5 1-inch holes using a spade bit, each set completed in under 3 seconds without hesitation or slowdown. Power delivery remained consistent and controlled throughout every test. To further evaluate its limits, the drill was put to work on solid concrete using a 3/8-inch masonry bit. Where many cordless drills begin to struggle or stall, the Flex continued drilling confidently, cutting through cement with ease. This level of performance highlights the advantage of its robust 24-volt motor system, which is clearly designed for demanding professional applications. That power does come with additional weight. The tool weighs approximately 3.9 pounds on its own and nearly 6 pounds when paired with the included 5.0 Ah battery. However, its relatively compact 7.1-inch head length helps maintain balance and maneuverability, even in tighter work areas. Flex also equips this drill with thoughtful safety and performance features. A turbo mode allows users to temporarily boost torque to maximum output, while built-in rotation protection automatically stops the drill if it detects dangerous over-rotation, helping reduce the risk of wrist or arm injury. While it is priced higher than many competitors, the Flex cordless drill is an excellent choice for users who prioritize raw power, durability, and advanced safety features above all else. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. As the flagship model in DeWalt's cordless drill lineup, the DeWalt XR drill stands out for its exceptional power, speed, and overall versatility. With a maximum speed of 2,000 revolutions per minute, it delivered some of the fastest drilling results recorded during testing. Using a standard 1/2-inch drill bit, the XR powered through a 2x4 in roughly half a second. It was equally impressive with a 1-inch paddle bit, completing the hole in just 3 seconds. These results were unmatched among all the drills tested, highlighting the XR's strong motor and efficient power delivery. What makes this drill especially impressive is how well that power can be controlled. The XR features 3 speed settings, allowing users to significantly reduce output when precision is required. Combined with adjustable torque settings, this makes the drill equally capable as a driver. Screws were driven smoothly and accurately, with no stripped heads or loss of control, even during delicate fastening tasks. DeWalt also includes several thoughtful features that enhance usability and safety. An anti-rotation system automatically shuts off the motor if excessive rotational movement is detected, helping protect the user's wrist from sudden binding. The built-in LED work light is adjustable, allowing it to be aimed exactly where light is needed, which is especially helpful in low-visibility work areas. At 4.1 pounds, tool only, the DeWalt XR is not the lightest option available. However, its relatively compact 7.6-inch head length makes it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. Overall, the DeWalt XR combines outstanding speed, strong control, and smart safety features into a powerful, professional-grade cordless drill. Number 5. Makita 18V LXT 1/2-inch cordless hammer driver/drill. Makita's flagship hammer drill delivers impressive power in a compact and professional-grade design. With a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute and a strong 1,250 inch-pounds of torque, this drill is built to handle demanding drilling and driving tasks with ease. During testing, it showed no signs of strain when boring through standard lumber. Both the 1/2-inch twist bit and the 1-inch spade bit passed cleanly through a 2x4 quickly and smoothly, demonstrating excellent motor strength and consistent power delivery. The hammer drill function proved equally capable. Using a 5/8-inch masonry bit, the drill bored into concrete without hesitation, making it a solid choice for light to moderate masonry work. Switching between drilling modes was simple, and the tool maintained control even when operating at higher power levels. Beyond drilling, the Makita hammer drill performs exceptionally well as a driver. By dialing back both speed and torque, it allowed for precise fastening without stripping screw heads. With these adjustments in place, driving 3-inch wood screws into stacked 2x4s was smooth, controlled, and repeatable. This level of versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from framing and installation to general construction work. Despite its power, the drill remains relatively compact, with a head length of just 7 inches, allowing it to fit into tighter spaces where larger tools may struggle. However, that performance comes with added weight. At 5.5 pounds for the bare tool, it is one of the heavier drills in its class and may cause fatigue during extended use. Even so, the combination of power, durability, and compact design makes Makita's flagship hammer drill a reliable choice for professionals who need serious performance.